Hello guys, my name is Mark Mabanori, and today in this video I'll be teaching you guys just how to make friends if you're transitioning to the real world, if you just finished your education, and also if you're socially awkward. Number one, a good way to make friends is to join a community, such as a recreational sport, hobby, club, organization, and even a religious group. Just make sure none of them are cults. You can easily find them by just searching them or just asking around for them. Number two, if you see someone that you want to be a friend, just walk up to them, greet them like a normal person, ask them, hey, how's it going? Compliment them on something that you find interesting or that you like. Then ask them their name, other questions about them, and then tell them a little bit about you. And it's okay if you mess up anywhere here or you get a little bit too personal on the first attempt. Just be humble and apologize. You're only human and we all make mistakes. And usually when you're making mistakes and you're apologizing or being humble, the other person usually gets a good gauge on the whole situation, is usually pretty forgiving. And then at the end, make sure to get their contact to make time to, hang out with them on their downtime when they're not busy. And number three, not everyone wants to be your friend or is your friend, and that's okay. Rejection is okay. I don't know where people got that rejection is wrong, that you shouldn't handle it in a normal way, but it's all right. It's normal. It happens. I mean, they got that quote out there. You make 100% of the shots you don't take, but that doesn't mean you're going to make every shot you do take. I mean, come on. We got Steph Curry out here, the best three-point shooter in the league, and he doesn't even make every shot. But he's still amazing though. But yeah, nobody's perfect. Keep your head up and keep it moving, okay? If you didn't understand that example, get this. Imagine a pro Black Lives Matter supporter, right? Do you think a neo-Nazi white supremacist has a chance in being friends with them? No, it just seems highly unlikely and a bit ludicrous knowing they have really strong differing beliefs and interests. Number five, everyone has their own lives. For example, if I'm working, I don't know, a 9 to 5, right? Chances are, if you call me 9 through 5 p.m. through the whole day, I'm not going to be readily available to hang out, okay? Also, other people may be too busy with their own personal lives to start a friendship with someone, or they just can't handle a new friendship. I'm Mark Mabanori. If you liked this video and got something out of it, please be sure to like and subscribe, and also comment too. I'm out.